Good morning, Mr. Wong and the audience. I'm Ishwaram. As you can see, my name is at number 3, and today I'm going to talk about proposal presentation of NGO, the Home Mental Health Associate, and the name of the home that we are visiting is Persatuan Minta di Home. So I'm going to talk about my slide. Moving on, the second slide. So this is the slide as you can see, and about this slide, the reason why we choose this NGO is because it is very close to Inti. It is the point number 1, and the point number 2 is distance approximately 1 to 3 kilometers. It is located near the hill, so it's either we're going to walk or we're going to use any vehicle to access from here, from Inti to the place. And the third point would be convenient and accessible for us to visit anytime. So this is why we choose this NGO. Okay, thank you so much.
And now I am going to present about have we communicate with that. As a personal in charge, I had already communicate with the NGO. They want to ask us to organize some entertainment activity for engagement to the clients, and also doing some things that can make them feel relaxed and also calm. So what we going to donate is small non-plastic plates. That is like plate that they usually eat from. And also we also as a personal in charge, I also got asked about high cost and also low cost, and they gave me the high cost in air conditioner maintenance if available to help them. Maybe the other person can support them with air conditioner maintenance contract. Yeah, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kaiji. So next I will talk about what activities or project are we going to do. So today we have prepared a few simple joyful activity designed to support mental wellness, activity, play, connections and share memories. So first is drawing. So we will begin with drawing. This activity allows everyone to express emotions in a safe, non-verbal way. This helps to reduce some stress, spark imaginations, and give each person a voice short answer. So second is the happy family card game. So it's light, easy to follow and encourage positive social interactions. Games like this can relieve mood, build focus and create a sense of belonging. So third is the musical chess game. So this is a fun activity game to improve listening skills and reaction time. It also brings laughter and gentle movement both, which are great for emotional well-being. Number 4 is the short sharing interactions. So we will have a short sharing time. This is a chance for everyone to speak, listen, and feel heard. Connection is a key part of mental health, and this moment helps build trust and community. So last is a photo session. So capturing smiles and together creates positive memories. Look back on this remind us that even small moments of joy matter for our mental health. So thank you. So we hope this activity being comfort, connections, and a little bit of happiness to everyone here. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mongkelian. So today I want to present what are the goals for doing these activities. So the first goal is to reduce stress and help the participant relax. Those activities stress are the game, art, and interactive sessions. Participants can relax stress and feeling tremor. Those activities also help them relax both their mind and body, especially if they are feeling tired and anxious. The second goal is to promote interaction and communication. We encourage participants to talk, to ask others work together and share their feelings. This helps them use stress and reverse methods relationship with others. The goals are important because they can improve mental well-being and reduce feeling for closeness. We participants feel connected and supported. Then we feel happiness and more comfortable. So I hope this activity can help them feeling like happy and no you don't feeling some stress. So thank you very much.
Good morning, Dr. Wong and the audience. I am Muhammad Jarul from NC1 Group E. This is my presentation slide about our group proposal of NGO. The activity is going to take at the Home Mental Health Association Persatuan Mindanao. This is our activities timetable. It's going to be at 12/5/2026. Time is going to be 10:15. We're going to arrive at the destination and set up our stuff. And at 10:15 to 10:45, we're going to have a session about drawing and something more. And at 10:45 to 11:45, we're going to have music chairs activities. It's like a chair that you walk around. At 11:55 to 12, we're going to have a happy family part together. And at 12 to 12:30, we're going to do photo sessions and shows favorite literature, like taking pictures, taking the teachers and the students. And lastly, that's it for me. Thank you. Thank you.
I will present about the station, what we need to do, and also the responsibility. So the arrival setup, we might have two helpers, like maybe me and also the Uncle Liang, and then our responsibility is arrange venue, set up chairs, prepare materials like the thing that we need to play. Then the drawing is two helpers also, maybe Kishore and Daru. So their responsibility is to guide participants, distribute drawing materials to them, and encourage them to be more creativity in thinking or what. Then the third is music chair. Music chair, I think it also needs two leaders, like one is for leader and the second is assistant. The role that they need to do is organize chair, manage music, ensure safety and fair play. So in that time, in that situation, I will be prepare the radio to them. And also Happy Family Guide. Happy Family Guide, I think need 3 helpers because they might be many clients. So and also the responsibility is explain activities about participants in writing, drawing, and career sharing. And the last is photo session sharing. So I think 1 helper and 1 photographer are enough because there's not much thing they need to do. And also for photo section, I think I will handle 1 section of the games. So when the role of the photo section is capture group photo, facilities, shot sharing, and also interaction. And now I will briefly talk about the expectation that we can on the activity. So in my opinion, in my view, I think we can improve their emotional well-being, like participants will feel comfort and also calm when they are playing with us, and also they can increase their social interaction, like clients will engage more with the other people, or also the workers in there, or any volunteer people. To increase social interaction is to reduce feeling of loneliness and isolation, and also they can build a sense of relationship with us. So this is my time. Thank you.